In the fast-paced world we live in, the pursuit of a healthy and vibrant life extends beyond physical well-being. Cognitive health, particularly the well-being of our brain, plays a pivotal role in shaping our daily experiences. In this journey towards cognitive vitality, an unexpected hero emerges: olive oil. Join us as we explore the surprising power of olive oil and its potential to boost brain health in just 7 days. Unveiling the brain-boosting benefits of olive oil. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, has long been celebrated for its heart-healthy properties. However, recent research sheds light on its remarkable impact on brain health. The key lies in its rich composition of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which have been linked to various cognitive benefits. Day 1. As you embark on this 7-day journey, start by incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your daily meals. The high levels of monounsaturated fats in olive oil support healthy blood flow, which is crucial for delivering essential nutrients to the brain. Drizzle it over your salad or use it as a cooking oil to set the stage for cognitive vitality. Day 2. Nourishing the brain with antioxidants. Olive oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, such as polyphenols and vitamin E. These compounds play a crucial role in protecting the brain from oxidative stress, a key contributor to cognitive decline. Begin your day by adding a spoonful of olive oil to your morning routine, whether in a smoothie or mixed with yogurt, to give your brain the antioxidant boost it craves. Day 3. Enhancing memory and learning abilities. Studies suggest that the polyphenols in olive oil may enhance memory and learning abilities. Incorporate olive oil into your lunch by drizzling it over vegetables or using it as a dip for whole grain bread. This simple addition to your midday meal could be a game changer for your cognitive functions. Day 4. Supporting brain cell communication. Healthy communication between brain cells is essential for optimal cognitive function. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil contribute to this process by supporting the structure of cell membranes. Include olive oil in your dinner preparation to provide your brain with the building blocks it needs for efficient cell communication. Day 5. Reducing inflammation for cognitive well-being. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various cognitive disorders. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to compounds like oleocanthal, may play a role in reducing inflammation in the brain. Consider drizzling olive oil over roasted vegetables or using it in your favorite stir-fry to contribute to the overall well-being of your cognitive health. Day 6. Balancing cholesterol levels. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for cardiovascular health. And it turns out, what's good for the heart is also good for the brain. Olive oil has been associated with improving cholesterol balance. As you prepare your meals, opt for olive oil as a healthier alternative to other cooking oils, further supporting both heart and brain health. Day 7. Embracing cognitive resilience. As you reach the final day of this journey, reflect on the subtle yet significant changes you may have experienced. The surprising power of olive oil lies not only in its potential to boost cognitive functions but also in its ability to contribute to overall well-being. By incorporating this golden elixir into your daily life, you've taken a proactive step towards embracing cognitive resilience, a lasting investment in brain health. In just 7 days, the journey through the surprising power of olive oil has opened a window into the profound impact nutrition can have on cognitive well-being. Beyond its culinary appeal, olive oil stands as a testament to the interconnectedness of a healthy diet and a thriving mind. As you continue to savor the benefits of this golden elixir, remember that investing in your brain health is a lasting gift to yourself, a gift that keeps on giving in the richness of a life well lived. Our 7-day exploration into the surprising power of olive oil for boosting brain health. Consider this journey as a valuable investment in your well-being. By incorporating this liquid gold into your daily routine, you've embarked on a path toward cognitive vitality and overall resilience. As you savor the subtle transformations, let this be a reminder that small changes in our habits can yield profound results. Here's to the incredible journey of nurturing your brain health and embracing the lasting benefits of a mindful and nutritious lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into unlocking the potential of everyday ingredients for a healthier, more vibrant life. Until next time, be well and thrive.